Hello everyone and welcome to another Keep Safe on the Net video on YouTube. In this video we're looking at another advance fee fraud scam. I have to apologise if you can hear purring in the background. My cat decided she wanted to be part of this video. A few days ago my alter ego received an email from Dr. Shane Brown saying, "Hello, I am T Jho." I do love a scammer who gets confused about their own name. He said, "Hello, I am T Jho, a Malaysian businessman. Are you still using this email address? I'm interested in discussing mutual cooperation with you." My alter ego sensed a bit of fun coming on, so she wrote back and said, "No, I don't use this email anymore. It no longer works." That didn't deter our scammer, who wrote back and said, "Thank you for your email and indication that you were ready to work with me." And then went on to say, "This is the proposition. My team of scientists and doctors have successfully found and tested a different vaccine for the COVID-19 virus. If you are willing to partner with us in distributing the vaccine in your country or to anywhere in the world, then you will make 40 to 50% income from any consignment shipped to you. We also need investors because we are yet to publicise our company and vaccines." So Annie said, "I would be interested in becoming a distributor. I don't have any money to invest." The reply was, "Thank you for your email. The US government is aware. The WHO have also approved it, including the Food and Drug Administration. We made the formality clear in our last email. You will make 40 to 50% profit for the set you choose. For instance, if you want to start with an amount like $1,000, we will send you a consignment worth $40,000 after the distribution. Then you will remit $10,000 back to us." The scammer then asked for all of Annie's personal information, including her country, her nationality, her marital status, her phone number, her passport/ID, and all of her bank account details. Please never send these details to anyone that you meet online. They can be used for identity fraud, and they can be used by other scammers to try to scam victims. Annie wrote back and said, "I don't understand what you are saying. If you want me to be a distributor, I'm happy to do that. But I don't understand what you mean by, if you want to start with an amount like $1,000, we will send you a consignment worth $40,000. If I want to start with $1,000 worth of vaccines, why would you send me $40,000 worth? How much does each vaccination cost?" The scammer didn't have the brains to say, "We require $1,000 up front," so said, "Thank you for your email. We are doing this in part to make sure more and more people are vaccinated around the world. With the aforementioned reasons, you will understand why we will deliver $40,000 worth of vaccines if you register or order for $1,000, for example." And went on to say, "As for the cost for each vaccine, it is currently pegged at $200, but countries and organisations are working to subsidise it." I should hope so at that price. Annie tried again. "I still don't understand. Are you saying I have to pay you $1,000 before you'll send the vaccines? I told you I don't have any money to invest, but I'm happy to become a distributor. Your initial email didn't say anything about having to pay to become a distributor." The scammer said, "You have to register with us first, with any amount you are willing to start with." "You still aren't making sense," said Annie. "Your email said you were looking for distributors. It didn't say anything about paying to be a distributor. Who would I be distributing to? I'm in the UK." The scammer said, "Thank you for your response. We have discussed with many countries' leaderships, which the UK is also involved in. So after you register with us to be our sole distributor, then we give you the government contacts. This is safe," always a comfort to know that, "and you will be one of our first distributors in the UK." The scammer then tried again to get Annie to send him all of her personal information. So she replied with her name and made-up address, and said, "I'm not prepared to give you the rest of those details until I've received the vaccines and I know you are legitimate. I can pay via bank transfer or via MoneyGram." So the scammer wrote back and said, "Thank you for your email. You can send the £500 to our European regional office in Spain through bank transfer and enclose the full name, address and bank details of a money mule in Spain. I have contacted the bank." The scam didn't quite end there, because Annie has a fake MoneyGram receipt that she likes sending to scammers. So she said to the scammer, "Are you sure you sent me the correct details? I don't think that's a company bank account." So the scammer very obligingly sent the full details of an accomplice in London in the UK. I hope he enjoys his trip to Manigram. I don't think he's going to be able to collect anything. I hope everyone watching this understands that no drug company anywhere is going to randomly ask people to become their distributor. It simply isn't going to happen, ever. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in another Keep Safe on the Net video on YouTube.